Hi, this is Tony Holbrook, Vice President of Operations for NationsGuard. Why you should never ask your advisors to sell. Here at NationsGuard, we don't teach advisors to sell. We teach them how to consult to a customer. We teach them that they're like the doctor. They're going to give the customer good news, they're going to give the customer bad news, but at the end of the day, it's up to the customer what they want to do. We teach the advisors, do everything the same way every time with the customer, do the same walk around, do the same process to get your customers comfortable. For example, when you go to the doctor, they're going to check your temperature, they're going to weigh you, they're going to do your blood pressure, they're going to do the same thing whether you're in there the day before or the month before or a year before. They do the same process, everything. You should do the same thing with your customer. And when you talk to your customer, you need to explain to them that, look, I'm here to be a liaison between the technician to help you understand what's going on with your car. We don't want the advisor selling anything. Help the customer understand what's needed on the car so that the customer can make an informed buying decision. The technician will explain it to a customer in a technical way, and the customer is going to be like a cloud and get lost. So teach your advisors to be that doctor for the customer. Explain to them what's needed. Don't be afraid of being told no. It's up to the customer. A doctor tells them they can either lose weight or stop smoking. It's up to them. It should be the same way when you're presenting repairs to a customer. We're here to help you make sure you have safe, reliable transportation, and these are the things that's needed. What else can we do to help you understand why it's needed? Reach out to us here at NationsGuard. We'd be glad to help.